Okay, question number 1. If the second and fifth terms of a GP are 6 and 48 respectively, find the sum of the first 4 terms. That's actually supposed to be 4, not for 10, but for 4 terms as it is, right? Okay, now this actually geometric progression, and is clear for us to go through this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to take a look at how we solve this question, right? So let me show you how we solve this. Guys, now if you look at the question, right, it's a bit technical, but as well very straightforward as it is, if you have understand about geometric progression as it is. Now the nth term of GP is a r raised to power n minus 1. A r raised to power n minus 1. So the second term automatically becomes a r raised to power 2 minus 1, which from the question is actually equals to 6, right? Now the fifth term, they say is 48, and the formula going to be a r raised to power 5 minus 1, which is a r raised to power 4. You can see that clearly, right? Okay, now if that is the case, then what we're going to do is to bring out the 2 equations. Question 1 going to be a r equals to 6. Question 2 going to be a r raised to power 4 equals to 48. Now if you divide equation 2 by equation 1, we're going to have a r raised to power 4 all over ar, right? Which equals to 48 divided by 6. Now that's going to lead us to a cancel a, and then become by using index form, that become a r raised to power 4 minus 1 equals to 8. Now r raised to power 3 automatically becomes 8. R raised to power 3 becomes 2 raised to power 3 in index form, right? Then your arrow equals to 2. Why? Because obviously the 3 will cancel 3, and then the arrow is going to become 2. Now from equation 1, for us to solve our first term, which is a arrow is equals to 6. That's equation 1, right? And then of course 2a equals to 6. Then your a equals to 6 divided by 2, and of course your a equals 3. So having known our a, we're going to go and take a look at the equation, the formula for solving the nth term of GP, which is a bracket 1 minus r raised by n all over 1 minus r. That is for arrow greater than 1. Now for arrow greater than 2, all right, for arrow greater than 1 rather, we're going to use what? Sn equals to a bracket r raised by n minus 1 all over arrow minus 1. Now for us to solve for x, now I actually thought they're actually looking for the 6th term, or until I went back again and I'm actually find out, okay, they were actually asking for the first 4 terms, some of the first 4 terms. So bringing them out arithmetically in a simple form, t1 is 3, t2 is 6, T3 is 12, and T4 is 24. Now by using this formula, we got that, right? By using this particular formula to get these values, right? So to add them all up, all of them to get your S4, that becomes 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24, and that automatically gives us what? 48. So far so good. This becomes the result, the final result for the first question, which is what? 45. Is that okay? So we're going to move on to question number 2. Follow me closely.